Hi! In front of me is REALME C21Y, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this smartphone. Firstly, open Settings. Now choose Apps and Notifications over here, click on Notifications and scroll down. Then select See All from last 7 days and pick one of your apps, for example Gmail. Then tap on the switcher next to it. All notifications from Gmail are now disabled. If you wish to enable them, click at the same switcher. But you can also just tap on one of your apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!